Many postgraduate theses fail not because the topic is weak, but because the research approach is not aligned with the research question. And this confusion mainly shows up in chapters 3 and 4, and your examiners notice it immediately. In this video, I'll talk about the differences between qualitative and quantitative methodology so that you understand the choice that can make or break your thesis. Point number 1, purpose matters. Quantitative research interrogates relationships, cause, and effect. On the other hand, qualitative research seeks to understand or seeks a deeper understanding of a phenomenon as it exists. And if you mix these two methodologies without proper justification, it may weaken your study's logic. Point number 2, design is not an afterthought. Quantitative designs are fixed before data collection. On the other hand, qualitative designs evolve as insights emerge. So what this means is that when your design does not match your approach, the methodological coherence then collapses. The difference number 3 is that theory drives direction. Quantitative studies test theory deductively. On the other hand, qualitative studies build theory inductively. You need to clearly understand the differences between these two because your examiners expect to see this logic reflected clearly in your literature review and methodology sections. Point number 4, tools shape your data. In quantitative research, questionnaires and structured instruments dominate. But now when it comes to qualitative research, you, the researcher, are the primary instrument. And if you confuse these, it may lead to shallow data and weak analysis. Point number 5, sample size signals rigor. What we mean on this point is that large samples support statistical inference. On the other hand, small, carefully selected samples support depth and meaning. And remember that bigger is not always better, but appropriate is. Now on to the last point, point number 6, analysis must align. You guys need to know that numbers require statistical analysis. On the other hand, narratives require interpretation. So when you mismatch your analysis techniques, your results chapters usually lose credibility. So if your supervisor keeps saying your methodology isn't clear, this is likely the root problem. If you guys gained a thing or two, a lesson or two from this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And if you need help with your thesis or assignments, you can WhatsApp me on +263 779 069117 or +263 717 162890.